Why do decentralized teams? What's the value?
I would say, we cannot contain talent within a single boundary of an organization. And really, a decentralized team unlocks our ability to tap into the potential across the globe, across the world. So you have the best of the talent coming across from various different parts of the world coming together, working together in a cohesive environment. Second, you have different perspectives and ideas coming through. So it's pretty much like today we keep talking about having diverse teams in order to bring in the various perspectives. In a very similar way, the decentralized teams just brings in the various aspects together. The second part of it is, I think, when we look at decentralized teams, means, of course, the talent is the main aspect. The second aspect, which we talk about, is in certain functions, it's very important that we have round the clock support for our customers. How do we actually enable this for our customers to have a fantastic experience through the systems? So I would say a lot of things in terms of time zone experience, in terms of talent, coming together really works well with the decentralized system.
Yeah, no, it's an interesting one, all right. And Sylvanus, how about you?
Yeah, I think Sweta covered a lot of the main points. Talent obviously is number one, right? I think there's this realization now that great talent is not constrained to one single geography. In fact, it's globally distributed. So for us, actually today is a proud moment because at Twitter, we just announced the official opening of our Canada International Hub. And this complements our international sites in Singapore, in Bangalore, and in London, right? So this is a company where we actually went out on record to say that our ambition is to increase our impact by enabling anyone, anywhere to work for the company. And to do that, it means that we must be able to tap into global talent regardless of location, right? And also as a chance to kind of build more diverse pools, right? Which is an area of great priority for us. And then the second benefit, I think, is, as Sweta mentioned, right? Follow the sun operations. At a company like Twitter, for example, we are always keeping the lights on, right? We serve the service is available 24/7. So teams such as SRE or even traffic engineering, the fact that we're distributed in Europe, in APAC, and in US just helps us ensure that there's always time zone coverage, and this has actually turned out to be a major kind of strategic advantage, right? As we are able to scale to meet the huge spikes in demand. And then the third one, which I think Swara will also be able to touch on more, because I think Stripe is really the leader in a lot of this, is just the sense that if you have global teams or you have teams in every region that you have customers, it just gives you a lot more empathy, and so you're able to have boots on the ground and able to build your companies and your products and your services to better reflect your audience, right? By bringing in and leveraging the local context and cultural insights. So for us at Twitter, 80% of our users are outside of the US. So it actually is imperative for us to be able to build teams that are able to serve these markets. And in fact, at Twitter, we are looking to better serve emerging markets like India, like Nigeria, places in sub-Saharan Africa. And we're thinking of how we want to build our engineering and product teams there.